In this video related to the EndNote, we will discuss the use of EndNote from the start. So, welcome to the session related to the EndNote. From the search menu of the window, I will search the EndNote that was recently installed on this laptop, and I will open it. Here we see I am creating a new file. I can save it anywhere. For example, if I want to save on the desktop, I have to create new folder that is, for example, related to the avian influenza. And here I am giving the name to the library as avian influenza library, and I am saving it on the desktop in the folder which is recently created. So this type of window will appear on your system, and there will be some such appearance of there may be some differences in the appearance of the search panel. Here maybe like this or maybe like this. You can add or remove this from the research from the toolbar. And after that, I have to search the data from the scientific databases and have to download it. And you know about the scientific databases. The scientific databases are Pubmed, Science Direct, Scopus, Web of Science, Web of Knowledge, are like that, and many others. Here I will quote the examples from the two scientific databases, and the search related to the specific literature from the scientific databases in all the databases are almost similar. So I will give the examples of Pubmed and Science Direct. For that, I am opening a new window of Chrome. I am searching Science Direct here. I want to search about avian influenza. Here I am clicking on the search option. On the avian influenza, more than 20,583 articles are present within the Science Direct. For example, I'm interested about the articles published on the surveillance or avian influenza epidemiology. There are about 5,038 articles within the Science Direct about the epidemiology of avian influenza. If I am specifically interested about the articles published in 2023, I will click on it. Then if I want to change the relevance, sorted by relevance to the date, then I can click on this option. And then in the view, there may be in your Science Direct option, there may be 20 appearance of the 25 articles, 50 or 100. But in this case, in my case, there are 25 articles per page. I want to change it. I want to change this setting to 100. I will click on it. Then I want to download all the articles we see on this page into EndNote. For that, I have to click on this download 100 articles. That is one option. In this option, we can download all the 100 articles in one click from the Science Direct. 100 articles means the full length articles. So in the next step, I will also share that how we can download the PDF file from the Science Direct, and then we can directly export those PDF files into the EndNote library, and EndNote will generate the references by itself. Then here I want to show that how to export the references. 100 citations are selected, uh, and I want to save it and to export these references into the EndNote. For that I have to click on the export citation to RIS. A new window will pop up, and I have already given the command that every time when I download the file like RIS or the bibliographic files, that should be opened in the EndNote, and all these 100 articles are downloaded here, and we can sort these articles on the basis of author, year, title, journal, and last updated reference type, rating, and anything. If you are interested that you want to remove the rating from here, you can click on the rating, and rating will not appear. Then reference type, if you are not interested about reference types, for example, book chapters, research articles, review articles are like that. You can click on it, for example, click here, and then you can review, unclick the reference type and any other option which you want. So for the next, because total number of articles were 234, for that, uh, for the remaining 134, I have to go to next page. For that, I have next. I have clicked on the next. So the next articles are appeared. I am again clicking on it. All the 100 articles which are shown on this page can be downloaded. And then I'm clicking on the export, then export citation to RIS. I'm doing this again. This file is downloaded and is opening in EndNote and is open. So here you can see imported references are 100, but the total number of references are 200. And for the remaining 34 articles, I have to click next page, and here you can see 201 to 202 and next onward up to 34. Here up to 34. And then I am clicking on it, then I'm exporting. For that again clicking on RIS, and now I have all the 234 articles citations which were published in 2023 on avian influenza. As these are not articles, first few, so I am selecting these references and then pressing the delete option from my keyboard, and these references are deleted. So right now with me there are 215 articles. So in this way you can download the citations or references from the Science Direct. In the Science Direct, there are many options. You can click on it. You can sort on the basis of those clicks, and there are some advanced options of the search from the Science Direct. Even you can search on the basis of find article with these terms in the journal or book title. If you can specifically mention one journal, you can mention here. Then years, author affiliations, volume, and then in the fields here. So next is how to download the data from the Pubmed. I am opening the Pubmed website. It will look like that. Here are some advanced options of the search. but I want to simply search related to the avian influenza virus or avian influenza epidemiology. Here you can see there are 7,798 results related to avian influenza virus epidemiology. And here they have used this term, any article that contains avian influenza and epidemiology can be seen here. And from here, we can, for example, on the display options, we can change from best match to the most recent. For example, if I'm interested about the most recent 200 article, then I will click on it. Any option you can choose and then download it according to your own criteria. Here you can see on this page there are some selected results, 200 results. I want to see more results, so I have clicked on the show more. Then again show more result, and in this way I can see more than 200 articles on the single page. So in I'm going at the end of this page. For that I'm clicking here. Here you can see on this page there are 599 articles. If I am interested to export them, send them, I have to click on send to. Then because I'm using the EndNote citation manager, there may be another citation manager. I want to send these references into the citation manager, so I have to click on it. I'm clicking it. This delay may be due to number of articles. I'm only clicking on the page one. Here you can see all the displayed results. If I'm interested to download all the displayed results, then I can choose it. Otherwise, I can choose all results selection or like that. Because I'm interested in the downloading of all the displayed results, so I will ask the permit to create the file, and then file will be created. And here you can see that file is downloaded and the references are being imported into the reference manager. Previously, 215 articles were from the Pubmed, from the Science Direct. Now you can see 600 articles are imported into the EndNote from the Pubmed. So total number of articles are 815 here. These are the total number of articles from the Pubmed and Science Direct.